German watchmaking has always stood apart for its precision, engineering, and artistry, and few brands embody that balance as well as Glashütte Original. Today, we're looking at one of their most captivating creations yet, the PanoMaticCalendar Skeleton Blue of Dawn, a limited edition of just 150 pieces. At first glance, it's contemporary, housed in a 42mm by 12.2mm platinum case with brushed and polished finishes that highlight its refined proportions. But the real story lies in the dial, or rather, the absence of one. The Skeleton Blue of Dawn opens up the caliber 92-11, revealing mechanics that are usually hidden. Off-center hours and minutes sit to the left, with a small second subdial, a moon phase at 2 o'clock, and Gio's clever retrograde month indicator sweeping between 3 and 6. At the bottom, the signature panorama date completes the display. The caliber is an open-worked version of the 92-09, running at 4 Hz, with an impressive 100-hour power reserve. On the reverse, the finishing continues with the brand's double swan neck regulator and the iconic double G rotor, a true showcase of Glashütte craftsmanship. This edition is inspired by the deep blue hues of early dawn, available on either a blue alligator leather strap or a sporty fabric option, both secured with a platinum folding clasp. Limited to 150 pieces worldwide, it is priced at $43,800 USD. The PanoMaticCalendar Skeleton Blue of Dawn is a celebration of German ingenuity and timeless artistry. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world's most remarkable mechanical watches.